Let's do the dimension drawing of part 1. Right click, create drawing. Select the template. The most recently opened template will probably be the right one. Otherwise, you can go to created by me and you'll see one template here. And you pick it. Don't pick 4 views, because if we look at this part here, you can see that if I put it in isometric view like that, if I put it in using the 4 views, then this face here that looks like a square will appear as the front view. Remember, the front view is always the view that you see when you look from the lower left to the upper right, and we don't want this face here to be the front view. So we're going to have to select a different view and or rotate the part when we place it in initially. So the right, top, left, or bottom view, any of these long views, we want to be the front view in the drawing. So in order to do that, we're going to not choose the 4 views convenient way. We're going to place it in manually. And here we are. And you can see that that square is being placed as the front view, because by default that's the view we get. And for some reason it's made it very big. So let's change the scale to 1:1, and then let's put the right view in there. See, that's a more representative view of this part, and so we want it to be our front view, which is in the lower left. So we're going to left click here, and we'll drag over here and left click again. That'll put our right view there. And then if we want more views, which we do for now, we left click on the front view and pull up again. That'll be our top view. Left click again. Left click on the front view and pull up into the upper right to get the isometric view. If I left click, that will place it. Right click, show shaded view. Typically we shade the isometric view, and now we can start to dimension this part. It's very straightforward to dimension it. We're going to have that dimension for the width, that dimension for the height, and then for the depth we can choose either the right or the top view. I'm going to choose the right view, and we arrive at this, and we've got it all dimensioned correctly. And our flowchart for dimensioning says that we should delete this view if we're not putting any dimensions on it, and we can stop there for the front view. And that should match the view that you're asked to draw, which is right there.